Kingston. Let's go, hey. Red one. Hey, hey. Shawty got that super thing, hotter than the sun in the south of Spain. Got me soon as I walk through the door. Oh, my pocket started tickling, the way she drop it low that thing got me wanna spend my money on her. She get it poppin', lock it, drop it, that birthday cake. Got a candle, need to blow that crazy flame. I take my red, black card and my jewelry. Shawty is cool like the fire, cool like fire. Somebody call 911. Shawty fire burning on the dance floor. Whoa, I gotta cool her down. She won't bring the roof to ground on the dance floor. Whoa, she's fire burning on the dance floor. That little shawty's fire burning on the dance floor. She's fire burning on the dance floor. That little shawty's fire burning on the dance floor.
Thank you for that wonderful collection. And today, it's all about the element of nature. Let's see how the next designer interprets her earth collection.
يزي احشم يزي احسن الزي احسن الزي احسن الزي احسن الزي
reasons
to become
a vegetarian.
vegetarian.
Number 1.
Because heart disease.
Begins in childhood.
Number 2.
Because a vegetarian diet.
Reverses heart disease.
Number 3.
Because eating meat and dairy.
Makes you fat.
Number 4.
Because you shouldn't have to lie to your kids about the food that you eat.
Number 5.
Because in every package of chicken, there's a little poop.
Number 6.
Because meat is filthy and bloody.
Number 7.
Because no living creature wants to see her family slaughtered.
Sa unang tingin, akala mo pare-pareho.
Oh, sorry.
Pero pag tinitigan mo, there's a difference.
Tulad ng kakaibang sarap ng Century Corn Tuna. Dahil Century Quality Tuna, siksik at malaman. I can see, hindi malabsa. With up to 30% less fat than other corn tuna brands.
For us, Century lang.
Wala nang sasarapa
Sa Century Corn
Tuna. Hipo naman, pahawak naman.
Baby smoother skin? A touch. Johnson's Baby Milk Lotion. Now, 2 times more milk proteins with vitamins A and E to doubly nourish and smoothen skin. Kaya,
Feel na feel kita, mahalika.
Johnson's Baby Milk Lotion. Sarap gamitin with milk fast. Skinny mommy, parang skinny baby.
Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows? Only time. And who can say if your love grows as your heart shows? Only time. We Who can say why your heart sighs as your love flies? Only time. And who can say why your heart cries when your love lies? Only time.
Thank you for that wonderful performance. And that's a very timely song. And our heart goes all to people of Japan who are affected by tsunami yesterday. And now, saving Mother Earth is a really, really difficult task to do. And now that we have one person here who's behind this event, one of our environmentalists, and at the same time, one of our fashion lover. Please welcome Lando.
Good evening, everybody, those who have attended this fabulous fashion show. Thank you very much. Mother Nature cried for help, and this is how we perform. We are very thankful for those who have participated in this activity, especially those people who have provided their support. We would like to thank Congresswoman Emeline Agripay from Diwa Party List, Congressman Rodolfo Valencia from the 1st District of Oriental Mindoro, Congressman Reynaldo Umali from the 2nd District of Oriental Mindoro, Congressman Feliciano Belmonte Jr. from the 4th District of Quezon City and currently the House Speaker, and Congressman Vicente C. Paez Jose Pingay from the Co-op NATGO Party List. Fashion Saves intend to provide help to different organizations and different causes. This is a combination of passion and cause. And hopefully this would be the beginning of a bigger event. This would start off other advocacies, and hopefully when a certain issue cried for our attention and help, we would be ready to hit its call. Thank you very much, and we would like also to thank the forces behind Fashion Saves, the production staff, those who have given all of their energies for the success of this event. Thank you.
Thank you for the message, Ms. Len. And of course, we would like to thank all the sponsors, all the people who are behind of this program. And we hope that we send a clear message to all of our audience that we need to protect Mother Earth. And again, next week we would like you to tune in again on Fashion Safe, and we would like to give you the latest trends on your local fashion walls. And let's give it up for our models for tonight. Let's start with the designer of the water collection. Let's give it up with Team Samson and the rest of the guys. Thank you, everyone. God bless. Chinese.